Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we got a special day or a special offer here. It says 2 days only, 2 days left, only today and tomorrow. I apologize, I couldn't get this up earlier. I just got back from work. It was 111 degrees in the heat today at work. Well, outside basically. Anyways, let's get back to this email. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, we got a special offer, 2 days left, 15% off any single item, valid through June 30th, 2019. All tools in these amazing brands, no exclusions. So pretty much this is the coupon that we have. So it looks here we get to use Admiral, Ames, Bauer, Central Pneumatic, Chicago Welding, Cobra, Cover Pro, Daytona, DB Diamondback, Earthquake XT, Fisher, Fortress, Hallmaster, Hercules, Icon, Jupiter, Lynx, McGraw, Pittsburgh. I guess Pittsburgh Pro and Pittsburgh is the same thing. Predator, Tailgater, Titanium, Union, US General, Viking, Vulcan, and Cirque. So these are all the brands that we can never get the like a coupon for, like a 20% off coupon. So this is the coupon for that. We got 34, 84, 96, 97. You guys feel free to use my coupon. This is not me personally. They probably just send it to everybody else too. The same item number. So you feel free to use this one. If I don't use it, then somebody else would use it, or some more people would use it. I'm probably gonna stop by and get me some batteries though, because I do have 2 Bauer power tools now, and you only have 1 battery. So I'm probably gonna stop by and get another battery, either or get another drill, Hercules or something. Maybe if I find the new tools. I don't think I'm going to be able to find the new tools. I get this 15% off. Anyways. Any of these tools, basically, you got the tool carts. You got Hercules drills. If you can find the new reciprocating saw and the new circular saw. All the Bauer tools. Pretty much all the line. The blower, the trimmer, the inflator, like the one I have. Also, don't forget to see the unboxing video this Tuesday. So stay tuned for unboxing video for the inflator on Tuesday. Pretty much all tools, all the generators, Predators, Lynx tools, which are the blower, chainsaws, and all that stuff, weed eaters. You got the Cirque scanners, so pretty much all of them, including the $1,000 one, the one that's about $1,500 or something like that. Yeah, including that one. So, and then you have all Daytona jacks, ranging from the cheapest, the ones that don't have color, the gray ones, to the orange, green, yellow. And then you got all the chainsaw, or not chainsaws, but the miter saws. Sorry guys, I just got back from work. I'm kind of dehydrated a little bit, so I'm not functioning 100% right now. So, all the Hercules miter saws, the Admiral miter saws, all the welders, the Titanium, Vulcan, the Chicago, the Fortress compressors, the McGraw compressors, the Central Pneumatic compressors, all those. And then we got the Viking. So, Viking battery charger. And if you guys haven't watched my video for the Viking jump starter, that's included here too. 15% off on that too. And the last one that we have here is that's just the last one on the show here. But there's a lot more, obviously, named list. So you got the Earthquake XT. Earthquake XT does have professional tools like this, like a half an inch drive and 3/8 drive, and ratchets, electric ratchets, battery operated, and air ratchets and stuff like that. So yes, take advantage of this coupon if you're planning on buying a tool now. It's only today, the remainder of today and tomorrow. So you still got one more day to get your item. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, tour deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate it. Thank you.